I've been cutting and preparing black glass plates for wet plate collodion photographs. And before I can shoot on them though, you first have to clean the plates. One of the things about wet plate photography is everything has to be meticulously cleaned. So I've got the plates all cut, and now we're going to use a solution of calcium carbonate and grain alcohol and water to do the final cleaning before I can shoot on them. A little puddle of that on my plate. And with just a paper towel here, I'm going to rub it around until it squeaks. I think you can probably hear that. That tells me it is clean. Squeaky clean, as we used to say. So make sure you get that nice and spread out. Clean the whole surface here. The corners. This also does a great job of removing my silver Sharpie marks that I used for marking the plates for cutting. Make sure we get both sides cleaned. Good, okay. And we'll get the bulk of that off then, with just a dry paper towel, like so. Both sides. So after applying the glass cleaner and scrubbing until it squeaks, the last step is buffing it with a clean microfiber cloth. Thank you, Shane Balkowicz, for that tip. We'll make sure we get both surfaces clean after the dry paper towel. And then we also want to pay special attention to the edges of the plates. We don't want to get any calcium carbonate in the silver bath, so I want to be sure I kind of pay attention to the edges, make sure we don't have any of the solution caught up in the little nooks and crannies at the edges of the plate. But that looks great. So we've got one clean glass plate ready to shoot.